joking, man.
If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you wait. Sometimes I think sitting on trains. Every step I get to, I'm clocking that game. Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler, making my name. Sometimes I think sitting on trains. Every step I get to, I'm clocking that game. Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler, making my name. All I wanna do is take your money. 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 Pirates, skulls and bones, sticks and stones and weed and bombs, running when we hit 'em. Lethal poison for the system. Pirates, skulls and bones, sticks and stones and weed and bombs, running when we hit 'em. Lethal poison for the system. No one on the corner has swagger like us. Hit me on my banner, prepaid wireless. We pack and deliver like UPS trucks. Already going hell, just pumping that gas. No one on the corner has swagger like us. Hit me on my banner, prepaid wireless. We pack and deliver like UPS trucks. Already going hell, just pumping that gas. All I wanna do is take your money. 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 MIA, third world democracy. Yeah, I got more records than the KGB. So no funny business. You already are.
Make money, take money, earn, crack money, drug money, bail money. Heard they got life for me, how they got life for me when they took that from me. Since I had my nose, yeah.
I was just joking, man. I was just joking, man.
Knock to the condos, schoolboy from the five dudes, schoolboy from the five dudes, schoolboy from the five dudes. Knock to the condos, schoolboy from the five dudes, five dudes. Bump fly around my signal, fly around my signal, bump fly around my signal. I'll rearrange your demo. Could be my house, you look like disciple. Heard that I'm liable, you get the eyeball. Aim out the eyeball, I'm getting violent.
Schoolboy too. Man, I ain't gonna never tell you not to rap again. Oh man.
Make money, take money, earn, crack money, drug money, bail money. Heard they got life for me, how they got life for me when they took that from me. Since I had my nose, yeah. Make money, take money, earn, crack money, drug money, bail money. Heard they got life for me.
Just below Upper Mesa Falls. Getting ready to do the Lower Mesa Falls.
Sometimes something beautiful happens in this world. You don't know how to express yourself, so gotta sing.
I just had sex, and it felt so good, felt so good. I wanna let me put my penis inside of her. I just had sex, and I'll never go back. Just the not having sex ways of the past.
Have you ever had sex? I haven't felt great. It felt so good when I did it with my penis. A girl let me do it. It literally just happened. Having sex can make a nice man out the meanest.
Never guess where I just came from. I had sex. If I had to describe the feeling, it was the best. When I had the sex, man, my penis felt great. And I called my parents right after I was done.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Guess what I just did? Had sex, undressed, saw her boobies and the rest.
Was sure nice of her to let you do that thing.
Nice of any girl ever.
Now sing.
I just had sex, and it felt so good, felt so good. I wanna let me put my penis inside of her. I wanna tell the world.
To be honest, I'm surprised she even wanted me to do it.
Doesn't really make sense.
But man, screw it.
I ain't one to argue with a good thing.
She could be my wife.
That good?
The best 30 seconds of my life.
I'm so humbled by a girl's ability to let me do it.
Cause honestly, I'd have sex with a pile of manure. With that in mind, a soft, nice smelling girl's better.
But she let me wear my chain and my turtleneck sweater.
So this one's dedicated to them girls that let us flop around on top of them. Yeah, the rock ball with a shooter tall. We wanna thank you all for letting us fuck
She
you.
kept looking out of watch,
Doesn't matter, had sex.
but I cried the whole time.
Doesn't matter, had sex.
I think she might have been a racist.
Doesn't matter, had sex.
She put a bag on my head.
Still count. I just had sex, and my dreams came true. So if you had sex in the last 30 minutes, then you qualify to sing with me. I just had sex,
Everybody sing.
and it felt so good.
We all had sex.
I wanna let me put my penis inside of her.
I wanna tell the world.
I just had sex, and I'll never go back.
No, no, no.
Just the not having sex ways of the past.
We're in Lower Mesa Falls. Fired it up.
You look really tired.
Then we hiked straight uphill for about 20 minutes. Now we're at the top, baby.
Yeah.
When Mama said that it was okay, Mama said that it was right, alright. Our kind of people had a bed for the night, and it was okay. Mama told us we were good kids, and Daddy told us never listen to them once. Pointing at the fingers and making fun, 'cause we were good kids.
Remember asking both my mom and dad why we never traveled to exotic lands. We only ever really visit friends. Nothing to tell when the summer ends. We never really went buying clothes. Folks were passing on the stuff in plenty loads. New shoes once a year and then out to play ball so we could ruin them. Mama said that it was okay. Mama said that it was quite alright. Our kind of people had a bed for the night, and it was okay. Mama told us we were good kids, and Daddy told us never listen to the ones pointing nasty fingers and making fun, 'cause we were good kids. Don't get me wrong, I didn't have it bad. I got enough loving from my mom and dad, but I don't think they really understood when I said that I wanted a deal in Hollywood. I told them I'd be singing on TV. The other kids were calling me a wannabe. The older kids, they started bugging me, but now they're all standing right in front of me. Mama said that it was okay. Mama said that it was quite alright. Our kind of people had a bed for the night, and it was okay. Mama told us we were good kids, and Daddy told us never listen to the ones pointing nasty fingers and making fun, 'cause we were good kids. I know which place I'm from, I know my home. When I'm in doubt and struggling, that's where I go. An old friend can give advice when new friends only know a half story. That's why I always keep them tight and why I'm okay. I said I'm okay. You know what my mama said? You know what she told me? My mama said that it was okay. My mama said that it was quite alright. I counted people out of bed for the night, and it was okay. Mama told us we were good kids, and Daddy told us never listen to the ones pointing nasty fingers and making fun, 'cause we were good kids. And Mama said that it was
Swam at Bouncer on the North Fork of the Payette, and now I'm about to do a booty bear.
Yeah, Payette River booty. Booty bear! I guess you really have to do